Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. So this is very interesting Python tutorial series. If you don't know about coding, then don't worry. I will cover basic to advanced level in this Python series. So in this era of AI, if you keen to learn some coding, then Python is the best language. Why? So this is a very interesting question. Why? So if you print like hello world, so in the c++ any other language you have to write 3 or 4 line code, but in Python you have to write just 1 line code. I will show you, just wait and don't worry about it, and just search for the Python online compiler. And now just here type print and just invite inside the invited comma I just type hello world. I just want to see you how it work actually. So now run it. So now you can see it, but in c++ any other compiler system you have to write 4 to 5 line code, but in Python you are write just 1 line code. And not only this friends, Python is very easy to understand. Just like here, this is the print. So print means what? Printing something. So this is just easy, as simple as this, na? Okay, so Python is interpreted system. That means after every line it will execute. So in the compiler system you have to write the code and then it will execute, but in Python after every line it will execute. So it is very helpful, because if you do some mistake in any line, then this line will not execute and you will be able to identify the error easily than the compiler system. So Python also is a beginner's language also, that's why. And in this era Python is used everywhere: machine learning, artificial intelligence, game development, chat GPT development, and any other artificial intelligence and deep learning and data science also. So after learning Python you can make your career or make your learning in any field. And you also learn the Django, and a lot of Django tutorial available in my YouTube channel. And from here you can learn the Django also. Django basically nothing but a web framework, how to build a website after learning Python, and it is used Django. So you can learn also Django to build a website. So firstly we will focus the Python, only Python. And first, why you learning from here? Because I will use the whiteboard for your understanding, and I will cover basic to advanced level, and I will use the whiteboard already, and then I will provide you the notes and also some PDFs and ebook. So, and some bonuses, and I also cover some AI at the last some videos of this tutorial. So first you have to learn the Python, and I will continue this series with full energy. Please learn Python, it will help you in your career. So for your information, the first version of Python has been released in the year of 1991. And comment me who invented the Python. So now I will show you how to install the Python. So just go to Google and just go to the Python, and just go to the python.org and download for the Windows, and just download the installer for the 64-bit. And after download it, just install it. Okay, so now click on this add path exe to path, add python exe to path. This is very important. And now click on install and it will install for you. So after installed, just open the cmd, and now just check it whether it is properly installed or not. Just here type python, and now okay, it is already installed in my case, and my version is 3.10.1. If it is not opening, then just shut down your PC and then restart your PC. Now here I just print 1 line code, print print. So Python is very easy. If you want to print something, So just write print, and whatever you print, just type hello world. So now just close the inverted comma and close the first bracket, and now just type the enter. You can see the hello world, it is printed. Okay, so I misspelled this HELLO. Okay, so now just exit it. So now you can check the Python version also. Just type python dash dash version. In this way you can check the Python version. In my case, Python version is 10.10.1, and just install the Python latest version. Okay, so don't worry, we will not code, we will not write any code in the CMD. We will use the VS Code editor. So just go to Google and just search for Virtual Studio Code or VS Code. So now just click on Virtual Studio Code and just download for Windows and then install it. It is very easy. So after installing it, it will show like this Visual Studio Code. Okay, just open it. Every code we will write here in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now just open your directory, whatever your project file. So just go to your directory. So this is my directory. Okay, so here I want to create Python project or Python code. So now right click. After installation VS Code, you can see the this logo, and now open with code, you can see. Okay, just click on it. Now VS Code is opened. So now here you can see the plus icon for the new file, create new file, and you can see the plus icon for the create new folder. So here inside this directory, I just create a new file, fast.py. Okay, so every Python extension is .py. So here I just type print, and now fast bracket, now inverted comma, and just type hello world. And how to run this? Before run this, you have to save it, control plus S. Okay, so now you can see this signed run Python file. So just run it. So you can see the hello world has been run. Okay, so now you just open your directory and you can see your Python file has been created. So first it is your Python file, and you are working in this directory. You can see this Python in Python series. This is the folder name actually. So I will show you. So Python series is a folder name. Inside the folder, this is our first Python code file. Okay, so this is amazing. Now I will show you. You can write your Python code in three ways. First of all, CMD. I already have shown you. Just type Python and then you can write your Python code. So now next is the VS Code, and here in this full tutorial I will use the VS Code editor for write the Python code, and I will make you understandable the all of the things in Python in the VS Code also. And I also use and share some tricks in the VS Code also. So don't worry, just install the VS Code properly. And now the main thing is the IDLE Python. So Python, just search for the Python and click on the Python IDLE. Now you can type your code here also. So just type print hello world, and you can see this. It will automatically it will automatically show you the print then value. So what is your value? Hello. Okay. So now just hit enter. So you can see this hello has been printed. So Python, it is an interpreted system. So after every line it will execute. So okay, thanks for watching this video, and we will continue the Python series in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please share with your friends, because this tutorial will be more interesting and interactable. So thank you for watching this. See you in next video quickly.